first time I played GTA Vice City back in 2011. Normally, I finished all the games I played, but I was stuck in this helicopter mission and I never went through. And for 10 years, deep down in me, I knew I haven't finished that helicopter mission. That is why I'm gonna try to finish this game once and for all. Like my father said, always finish what you start. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna start the game. Let's see, I have changed the keyboard settings into my liking, so it's gonna be kind of easy to play now. Let's see. This is. I found it, I found it, I found it. Finally, I did it. After 10 years. Finally. Passed the game. I passed the freaking game. Actually, I passed the mission, but it's like, oh my god. It's been 10 years. 10 years.